I didn't even start this. Wow, Zona. I feel stupid right now because I didn't even start the camera the entire time. Wow. Hey, this boy jumped on me and got mud all over me. Look, I can't even pet him. What are you looking at? Oh, you're looking at the bird. Oh, that's a hawk. Maxipoo, that's a hawk. That's a hawk. That's a hawk. Look. There it goes. Max, that's a hawk, baby. It's a hawk. That's why we're called Heritage Hawks. Yeah, that's why we call it Heritage Hawks. Because we got the state of the hawks all around us. Noise. Don't jump on me, you are muddy. Well, everyone have a great day. See you guys.